to today's video where I'm going to be showing you how to fit one of these door viewers to a timber door. First thing you have to do is find out the height that you want this to be at, about eye level. I'm going to put that about there. I'll put some masking tape on so I can mark it, and also when I drill through it doesn't split the wood at the back. Okay, so when you've determined your height, I'm just going to square around here. And I'm going to work out how far in. I'm going to put it just there. And now I need to make sure I drill exactly the same size as this viewer. So what I'm going to do is start by drilling a small hole, which is a 4.5mm bit. And now I'm going to go slowly through the sizes. Also, what I like to do is get a block of wood, place it on there, and that will prevent it from splitting the wood on the door. Now it's as simple as just placing the back sleeve into position and tightening this up. Right, and that was it. That was our little how-to video of how to fit one of these door viewers. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's loads of other little tips and tricks on this and other projects too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.